When's your birthday?
When's your birthday?
My birthday is April 11th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I usually have dinner with my friends and eat cake.
When's your birthday?
It is October 15th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
Normally, I have a small party, I have some cake, open some presents. When's your birthday?
August 9th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I usually spend time with my friends or have dinner, see my family.
When's your birthday?
It is September 10th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I usually celebrate my birthday with my friends and family.
When's your birthday?
My birthday is June 1st.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I usually go for a meal with my family, with my children and my wife.
Click here to watch more videos. See you next time.